Very good morning, friends. In the last session, we have learned about what a bullish Marubozu candle is. Today, we will be learning about what a bearish Marubozu candle is all about. So, let us start the session and we will see how to trade using this Marubozu candle during this session. Very good morning, friends. Today we will be talking about a candlestick pattern which comprises of only a single candlestick, and that is a bearish Marubozu. So this pattern, as I have already told you, it comprises only of one candle that is bearish, hence it is red in color. This is a continuation pattern depicting that the downtrend might continue if it is formed in the middle of a downtrend. Now, as I have also told you in the bullish Marubozu, that the bullish Marubozu is a continuation pattern if it falls in between a uptrend. Likewise, bearish Marubozu is also a continuation pattern if it falls between the downtrend. However, if it is formed at the top of an uptrend, it depicts that the trend might reverse. So if this bearish Marubozu gets formed at the top of an uptrend, it usually depicts that the trend will reverse. Though this pattern works in every market, it works best in commodity market. As in the case of bullish Marubozu also, there are many types of markets like forex, equity, F&O, commodity market. So this pattern, though it works in all the markets, but it works best in the commodity market. Now bullish Marubozu was told to be working good when it was about to touch the lower circuit. In the contrary, this bearish Marubozu, it works well when the price is about to hit the higher circuit. And about the higher and lower circuit, I will be making a separate video. You can consult that video when I'll be posting it, and you will be able to know what it means. Now this bearish Marubozu also, as in the case of bullish Marubozu, it is of three types. The first one is with no wicks at all. That means there is no upper and no lower wick. So this is simply called bearish Marubozu, nothing else. The second one is with lower wick and no higher wick. Now this is called the opening bearish Marubozu, wherein the lower shadow should not be more than 5% of the body of the candle. If it is more than 5%, then it will not be called a bearish Marubozu. The third one is with a higher wick and no lower wick. Now this is called a closing bearish Marubozu. The higher shadow should not be more than 5% of the body of the candle. If it is more than 5% of the body of the candle, then it will not be classified as a Marubozu candle. Now see, this is the example of a Marubozu candle. The best way to recognize a Marubozu candle is that it will be very long as compared to other candles, and it will either have no wick or only one wick. See, notice that the bearish Marubozu has appeared at the top of an uptrend, and once there is a confirmation that the price has started to fall, it is a good time to enter into a stock for selling. Now, how to trade with a bearish Marubozu? First of all, after spotting this pattern, you need to wait for the price to fall below the low of the Marubozu candle, and once it crosses the low, it is time to sell. So in the next candle itself, the price is crossing below the low of the Marubozu candle, so we can enter into a sell trade at around 210. Now stop loss will be the high of the Marubozu candle. This is the stop loss, and do not exit till there is an exit signal By exit signal, what I mean is only the candlestick pattern, nothing else, no indicator. In the above case, after a hammer is formed, you can exit at the confirmation candle. Now see, here the hammer has been formed, and from the next candle, the prices have started to rise. So aggressive traders can buy in the next candle, and conservative traders can wait for the next candle after the confirmation candle. Now why I am saying buy over here is because we have first sold the trade, and while exiting this trade we need to compensate it with a buy trade. So that is why we need to buy this in order to exit from this trade. Now if you enter a sell trade at 210 and exit at 83, a profit of 127 per share is earned, which is around 60%, and this is not bad. So that was all about bearish Marubozu. Thank you so much.